Right, just got back from Aldi. I want to run through the meat. I want to get this in the fridge because it's been sat in the car. I got stuck in traffic. They had this massive box of chicken drumsticks. There's 2 kilo in there, and they were £3.39. I didn't need them, but they're going in the freezer. So yeah, they'll make cracking hot pots, you know, that kind of thing, because it's coming up to winter. I got the 10 pork sausages. So because there was 10, I had to get 2 because I needed was it 12, I think, something like that. But that's fine because the rest can go in the freezer just as breakfast or something like that. So that's those. I got the big gammon joint. I don't know how much weight. 1.3 kilos. And that was £5.19. That's really gone up in price. That was the leanest one they had. Chicken thigh fillets. This is the 600 g pack. It was £3.55. So yeah, that would either be the curry or the chicken hot pot thing. You know what I mean. A 900 g one as well. That was £4.19. So I've got loads and loads of chicken. So that's great. I got 2 of the lean beef steak mince. I just got 2 750 ones in the end, because as I say, the rest of it will go for a savoury rice. They were £4.29 each. I got a big back bacon because I forgot I've got it's my daughter's wedding, not next weekend, but the weekend after, and my brother's coming down, so he eats bacon like God knows what. So this was £3.79 for a kilo of back bacon, unsmoked. Yeah, I quite like unsmoked bacon. And then my pork chops, I got 4, no, it's 5 there actually, so that'll be 5 meals, not 4. So that'll be the I think I might try and... They used to do a sauce which was pork, Somerset pork, where you put an apple in with it as well, and it's really nice. I know you can do a cider recipe, but yeah, I'm not bothering. So that was £3.83. And also I had to go into Tesco's for my fish pie mix. They just didn't have one in Aldi at all. I could have got fresh fish. I suppose I could have done that, but this was £4.20. I did look at the haddock in Aldi, the fresh stuff, but that was £4.20 on its own. So I got enough here for probably 2, maybe 3 fish pies. I'm going to pause, get this in the freezer and the fridge, because as I say, I got stuck in traffic, so it's been a while. I'll be back in a moment. Right, for the veggies, I've got a bag of the mixed frozen mixed vegetables. They were 79p. A packet of white potatoes, and they were £1.09. Carrots were, I got a really badly written receipt, I can just about read this, 45p. I got a bag of sultanas hiding in the back there. They were 99p. I bought some peanuts, right, I'll show those on the next bit. A bag of onions were 65p. Radishes were in their sort of special, you know, reduced thingy, so they were 39p. I got an iceberg lettuce. I can't read it. I think it says 55p. I got some gala apples, which are there, and they were 90p. Did I say carrots? 45p, I think I did. I got 2 bags of carrots. I got some sweet pears, which were 95p. Wild rocket was 57p. I love that in salads and in wraps and stuff as well. They're really nice. I think that's everything, isn't it? Just looking. Oh, I got 2 lots of milk. They're 1.15 each, so 2 lots of 4-pinters. Ignore that. It's very naughty. I got a big Greek yogurt, which is hiding back there, which was 69p. As I say, I can just about read this thing. I had to stop into Tesco's and get a cabbage. They didn't have any in Aldi. And let me just check how much that was. I can't see it. cabbage, 59p. And so, let me just get my Tesco receipt. It's 59p. And yeah, that's it for now, is it? Oh, mushrooms, yeah, I forgot mushrooms. They were £1.80, I think it says. I'll say it so badly, I can hardly read it. I've got some bananas, which were down the bottom, 70p. And I got a bag of unwaxed lemons because I want to make a lemon drizzle cake. And they were 75p. So I think that's everything. Oh, mixed peppers, how much were you? I will get better at this. Peppers, £1. I don't know, I think this is 146. I can't really read it. Yeah, but there's a lot nicer red ones in there. There's only one green one, so that was pretty good. Okay, so that's all the sort of fresh and frozen veggies there. So, right, I'll pause this one and I'll be back to you in a minute. Right, the last bits. I needed a new juice bottle for the gym because I very cleverly left mine at work. Yeah, and I'm not going back in for another 3 weeks, so I needed to get one of those. It was £3 in Tesco's. I bought some new little storage pots because some of mine, the clip bits are starting to go, and these are quite a nice sort of portion size, this size. So they were, I think they were £2.25 each. Yeah, £2.25 each. So I got 4 of those. I got 3 of these sort of smaller food savers. Again, a nice portion size. They were £1. I got the lemonade at Aldi. Gosh, I'm not very good at this, am I? Bear with me. Lemonade was 39p. At the back there, I picked up in Aldi again the little smaller, let me just grab one, sweet corns. Now I know this is not the cheapest way to get them because it is cheaper to get the bigger one, but I was finding I was wasting a lot of it, so give up. Yeah, so I bought those. They were, I've got to find them, hang on, bear with me. I think they were £1.12, something like that. I don't want to hold you up. I got my tin of red kidney beans. They weren't cheap in there. I might have to look in Tesco's and see if they're a bit cheaper, but yeah, I didn't feel that they were particularly. Sorry, I'm rapidly looking for them. Kidney beans, 49p. I picked up a honey and mustard dressing, that was 65p. In Tesco's, Aldi didn't have a parsley sauce, so I had to pick that one up. Now, it's not a cheap one, unfortunately it was 80p. Well, I'm going into Home Bargains tomorrow. I'm going to see if they've got a parsley sauce, because, you know, I showed the Coleman's ones earlier. So I picked up 2 bags of peanuts because I mixed that with the half a bag of the sultanas that I showed earlier. And they're 46p each, and then that makes a snack pot for me. A packet of rich tea biscuits because I do love, and that's Aldi ones, I do love cheese on rich tea biscuits. Now a lot of people will say ew, but yeah, they were 34p. It's lovely. It makes a nice lunch for me anyway. Tesco's again, I picked up a Bisto cheese sauce mix. I do like broccoli, broccoli cheese. No, I don't like cauliflower, so broccoli with cheese sauce on top. That was £2, that one. It's not something I buy a lot, so I'm not worried, you know, that, yes, it's more expensive than I'd like it to be, but, you know, there it is. The mayonnaise, I think it was 69p. I went for a garlic mayonnaise just for a change. I've topped up on my dumpling mix because it's absolutely delicious. And that is Tesco's again, unfortunately, but that was 75p. But I get about, I don't know, about 6 dumplings out of that. I only put 1 in every meal. So I've got 2 little seeded loaves. They were on 30% off. I don't know why. And they were, sorry, I'm really looking for them. Here we are. 45p. Yeah, 45p. 2 garlic and coriander naans, because I forgot to get those, and they were a really good price actually. They were, I can hardly read this flipping thing. I saw them just now. Narns, 79p, I think it says. Yeah, sorry, it's really badly printed. So that, my friends, that is everything. So it's all the meat. Cupboardy stuff, yes, I had a lot in stock, so I didn't have to buy an awful lot. I didn't have any bread stuff in. Those are an extra that I wouldn't normally buy at all. So that was, you know, like 12, 13 pounds that I didn't need to spend. But I did extremely well. Tesco's bill was £21.64p. But as I say, that did include those expensive bits and bobs that I wouldn't normally bother with. And Aldi was, hang on, total 64.78. So I was really pleased with that. 45 items. So yeah, so that, as I say, sorry, this is an absolute mess, my kitchen now. But all my fruit and veg, and this is what my fridge is looking like at the moment. You can't move. So once that is all cooked and put away, yeah, I've got tons and tons of food. So I hope you enjoyed that. I can't flip my camera, unfortunately, so I can't talk to you face to face. But yeah, I mean, as I say, I will do the cooking with you. But this, seriously, this is how cheap you can make it if you can be bothered to do that once every 6 weeks shop, which is kind of what I've done here. This doesn't include weekly stuff. I mean, I will need to get milk weekly, fresh fruit and veg, that kind of stuff. But I try and keep that well under £10 a week. I don't even spend that most of the time. So I'll keep you a running total of how much it is for 6 weeks, basically, I guess. The next video will be some cooking. All right, I'll see you on then. Bye.